All right, last one.
Last one of the day. A giant coconut crab snapping a golf club. Ooh. You always wonder what the actual power is of those claws.
Oh, meaty things, man.
You just can't help but wonder. I mean, the actual
How big?
creature
What's a big
is not
animal?
No, it's not
Bigger than your head.
It'll break your finger, I guess. I mean, if it's doing a golf shaft.
Don't do this, man. Look at.
So they were just these crabs were just making their way around a golf course where these guys were golfing, and somehow these guys wanted to test the strength of one of the claws, a coconut crab, and then climbed on top of like the golf bag, and then it just clamped onto one of the golf clubs.
It went straight for it, just as they wanted. Yeah. It took the bait. And what? Does he actually snap it? I mean,
yes.
That's the...
Yeah, at one point, they try to... it started to get serious.
Oh.
And then, he took the golf club off the bag.
He's got a bloody good grip on it. Look at that. He's got a really good grip on that.
He's got a grip.
That's a graphite shaft or some sort of composite. It's a driver. So stainless steel might be tougher for the crab to... He's got 3 clubs.
Yeah, how much money does he have in his claws there? Mm-hmm. Quite a bit, eh?
He's not willing to let go of these things.
I love how this crab is just messing.
The guy's like, I got to save at least one of these. I got to golf the rest of the day here. I shouldn't laugh. Oh, no, he snapped it.
Pop.
So he's trying to wiggle his club out, and it's not looking so good.
Not at all.
Yeah.
It's busted. There you go. Got what you wanted, playing around with coconut. Oh.
It's like, oh, boy.
He chewed through it.
That's the power of nature, man.
It's an interesting creature and an interesting defense. I wonder how those are used in the natural world. Like for fighting, presumably for
sure.
mating, defense. But that's because it's so slow moving, but yet there's power contained in there.
Yeah.
And also their entire structure of their bodies with this, like, they're rigid on the outside.
Exoskeleton.
Instead of the inside.
Yeah. They're delicious on the inside.
Yeah, don't get me started. I mean, I've been eating spicy Doritos, flaming hot Cool Ranch, and now you want to throw crab into my mind?
do you like a crab?
You want to throw all you can eat buffet crab at me?
I do.
That's always the key, when they have the all you can eat. It's like, well, what is it all you can eat? And then they're like, it's crab. And you're like, wow, how do they do it? Those things that live in like how many?
It's so much work to get the crab meat.
1,000 feet down there, and you're like, that's the one I want.
Yeah.
It's like, what, is it hard to get? Yeah.
It's kind of rude.
Is it hard to get? Yeah, that's the most delicious. The harder it is to get, the more tasty it is.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's a human thing, right? It's like, is it rare? That's the one I want.
Is it scarce? Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. Supply and demand. Where the crab's at. They're cracking golf clubs in their spare time.
That crab just...
This is when the crab fights back.
Yeah.
Jurassic Park, 2022, 2021, 2022, Fast and the Furious, old cars, Mo. We did it all today, man. It's been an absolute blast. We've been up, we've been down, we've been cool. We've been cool ranch.
Coffee.
Thank goodness for the coffees. We never dipped into Mo's Budweisers because he's protecting them. He's incubating them over there like there's some, like he's a chicken.
He's sitting on them.
Yeah, he's incubating those beers over there. There's a camera over there. Is that what you guys do? You place a camera between the two of you? That's just to send the message out there as far as the job titles are concerned.
Yeah, high council.
You know what I mean? Associates and whatnot.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. Thank you to everybody who joined today. Thank you to everybody in the chat. Thank you to everybody who's a part of this community. This community is on fire right now. And I'm talking like the good type of fire. I'm talking the flaming hot.
Heat up.
Type of fire. And I mean, I gotta tell you, this is the type of vehicle you want to ride on. I gotta tell you, this is the type of plane you want to fly on. I gotta tell you, it's the type of train you want to die on.
I don't know about that. That's
I'm looking across the couch. You guys are like, whoa.
The record's scratched in my head.
You're like, wait a minute.
I don't want to die on a train, man.
Anyway, lovely time. Thanks to everybody who joined. We'll see you on Monday.
How about that beat? Rude.